Ready to run AI locally? Here's your 60-second Ollama quick start. First head to ollama.com and run this command in your terminal to install Ollama. Once installed, just type Ollama run Ollama 3 to pull and run your first model. The first time it will download the weights. Once that's done, you can chat about anything. So the weight is downloaded successfully. Now let's type what is 2 plus 2. And you can see the answer is 4 from our LLM. You can type help to see what else you can do, like you can see all the available commands. Set, show, load, save, clear, buy. Let's type buy and you can exit. And if you are a dev, Ollama is already running local server on port 11434 for your API calls. Let's see. As you can see, you can get answer from Ollama through API, and you can use this API directly into your application to get the benefit of local LLM. But if you are not a dev, no need to worry. You can go to your search and type Ollama, and you can use it similar like ChatGPT, like what is 2 plus 2. If you want better result from LLM, especially for deep research, you can use Ollama Cloud that connect to the more powerful models.